Hello friends, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine. May Allah Almighty keep you happy and keep you homes in a happy day, and may you continue to enjoy like this video. So friend, today I'll be share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top and swimming dressing designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel. In the first time, you can also buy to the market about such design you can. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want watch any videos fashion related, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my video, show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of design is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who will subscribe to my channel. Stay with me. Remember, prayer and bye.